Hey guys, welcome back to the help screen, and this is how to download Genshin Impact on PC or laptop. So first thing that you will do guys is just simply go ahead and go to your Microsoft Store and search it at the bottom left corner, and just simply open up the Microsoft Store, and from here just simply use the search bar and search for Epic Games. And from here, just simply select this one, Epic Game Store, and select install over here. So guys, we will be using the Epic Game Store as a third party to download the Genshin Impact into your laptop or PC. And now, once it is done downloading guys, a pop-up window will show up, and just simply select yes, and just simply wait for it. Now another window will pop up, and just simply select yes, and you will have the Epic Games launcher ready on the desktop over here. Now just simply open it up once everything is done, and from here it will update the Epic Games. Now guys, once you are here, you just have to simply create an account if you don't have one, or just simply sign in into an account. And if you scroll down, you will have here multiple options as well, where you can continue with the social media platform. I'm going to continue with my Google. Now guys, once you are signed in into an account, you can just simply use the search bar over here to search the store and search for Genshin. And after that, just simply go ahead and select the Genshin Impact. From here guys, you should be able to see here get. So select get, and it is currently free. And from here, it will redirect you to another tab, and just simply select place order. And as you can see, it is free. And now just simply wait for it to load up. And now go for view in library. And from here, just simply select this one. And from here, just simply select a folder location on where do you want to download it, and just simply go ahead and select install, and click on yes on the pop-up window, and it will be installing. And when you select downloads over here guys, you should be able to see the download speed. Now once it is done, just simply select launch over here, and from here just simply select get game over here, and just simply select a location, and just simply select start installation, and you should be able to play it into your PC or laptop. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.